Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to grow your freelance writing business in 2026 step by step. So if you want more clients, higher income and a steady writing career, this quick walkthrough is going to help you scale fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to pick your writing niche. Clients hire the specialists and not the general writers. So you need to choose a niche like tech content, finance writing, health blogs, email marketing, or SaaS copy. You can also come here on fiverr.com. Then when you just simply use the search bar here on the top and when you search for writing, it is going to give you a bunch of other writing niches like resume writing, essay writing, script writing. So here you can click on any one of these niches and select a clear niche that is going to help you charge more and get fast clients. Now, in the second step, you need to build a simple writing portfolio. You need to create a Google Drive folder or a one-page website, which you can make with the help of Canva. Then you need to add 4 to 6 samples, blog posts, emails, landing pages, and case studies. Your portfolio is your proof of skills, so clients look at it. This is the thing that clients look at first. Now you need to use AI to speed up your delivery. You can use some of the AI tools for the drafts, for outlines and the idea generation. Then you can rewrite the personalized content in your own style. This lets you deliver the work faster without sounding robotic. You can also start pitching on the high quality platforms instead of the low paying websites. You can pitch on LinkedIn, cold emails, Twitter, niche job boards. So you can also share your samples or offer clear services like blog writing, email copy and scripts, and client also respond faster when your pitch is simple and direct. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to grow your freelance writing business in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.